Hello guys, it's me Jenny DIY. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make this front tie crop top. As you can see, I already cut out my pattern, and to create a pattern is very easy. I use one of my basics here to create a pattern, and for this tutorial I'm using 1 yard, yes, 1 yard fabric. So you can use according to your size. So the next thing I'm going to do now, you can see I've already cut out the back pieces. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out the front pieces, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces. You can see I'm securing it so that I can get accurate cutting. So the fabric I'm using is chiffon fabric. And I do get question on where I get my fabric. I do get some of the fabric online, or maybe at the fabric store here in Germany. So but I will check on their website to see if they do ship worldwide. Yes, I will check because I'm in Germany and it's also in Germany here. So I do get, why I buy online is that I do get it cheaper than going to the fabric store to buy it. So and you can get a lot of things that you need there than just going to the shop here. So now I also cut out the sleeve. I cut 2 pieces also. So I'm going to make a dart. As you can see, I'm going to sew dart on the front pieces on the both sides, and I'm pinning it, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I now place the back pieces and then join it with the front pieces and stitch on the side, on the both side, and also on the shoulder. So this is the back pieces. So I cut it first. So now I lay the one side of the front pieces, and this is the other side, and I'm going to stitch by the side after I've stitched on the dart, on the both darts. Then I now also sew on the shoulder. So here is the look. You can see I also use a zigzag stitch, that is to secure the thread, because I don't have a weaving machine, so I use zigzag stitch for it. So now the next thing is to make a bias. I'm going to cut out some strips. I'll use it as bias for the neckline. So you can see I try to locate the straight side, and I'm going to cut it out. So I now have the 2 pieces. As you can see, I'll join it together and then attach it on the front neckline. So you can see And now I'm going to fold it and pin it and sew all the way from neckline to down. So as you can see, I've sewn it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach the bow sleeve. And for the sleeve, you can cut yours maybe long or short depending on you, because I have mine short. So I'm going to attach the bow sleeve now. So next I'm going to use this remaining pieces. I'm going to use it to make the belt. Yes, actually I wanted it to be longer, but due to the fabric is not enough, so just leave it like that. So I'm going to join it together and then stitch it together. So I'm going to now use the belt that I made. I'm going to join it at the end, that is at the bottom of the top. I'm going to attach it there. And after that is finished. So this is very easy, very simple. And for the pattern, it's very easy. You can just use your basic shirt to make the pattern, but I will still leave the video how to create pattern with your existing clothes. So I'll still leave it on my description box, so you can also check it out. So I'm going to stitch it together, and then that is it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comment below. And yeah, I hope you like it, and please also thumbs up. And if you're new watching, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to get more of my video. Thank you guys, thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.